The Ministry of Health says as days go by, the number of COVID-19 infections and death continues to rise. Except those who are found positive during mass testing programs, health authorities say many others are infected but do not know their health status. Pharmacists say that at the time, many people with respiratory illness like flu continue to increase. Some of them have COVID-19 patients at home, and they have some symptoms as well, like flu, cough and others. So we advise them to go for testing immediately because they might be infected as well. On the other hand, citizens say that as the number of COVID-19 infections is increasing, those who have symptoms should not decide to buy drugs without testing for COVID-19. I cannot immediately go to the pharmacy when I'm not feeling well. I'd rather go to the hospital for testing. If people decide not to go to the hospital, the numbers will continue to rise because I might visit a person knowing he or she has another disease, yet it's COVID-19. Then I might infect them or get infected. Habyarimana Flandry, who heads the Rwanda Community Pharmacists Union, says that flu medicine can be bought from pharmacies without consulting the doctor, but advises that cough medications shouldn't be taken without consulting the doctor. However, he says that as COVID-19 surge continues, taking medications carelessly might cause other problems. Medicine is manufactured based on the disease or the condition of the human body. Medicine itself contains toxins and thus has to be taken under the doctor's approval. When consumed carelessly, it might even cause death. So people should stop taking medicines whenever they feel not okay. The other thing, medicine should be taken in proportion to one's age. At this time, people get infected and take it unseriously, and later come to know that it was COVID-19 when they had infected many other people. The health authorities in Rwanda say that there are more than 45 private hospitals and clinics, more than 500 health centers and other specialized venues in Kigali where COVID-19 is being tested.